Students, dear students, today we learn about real numbers part 3. Today we learn about irrational numbers. Dear students, you can recall real numbers are the union of or combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers. In previous parts, we learned about rational numbers. Today, we learn about the properties of irrational numbers. This is the major topic regarding the 10th class examination. What is an irrational number? A real number is called an irrational number if it cannot be written in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Example 1.1234526 so on, root 2, root 3, root 5, so on. You can define an irrational number in another way also. Non-terminating, non-recurring decimals are also called irrational numbers. Properties of irrational numbers. Sum of irrational numbers, sum, difference, product, and division of irrational numbers is also irrational number. This means root 2 plus root 3, root 5 minus 3, root 7 plus root 11, root 3 into root 7, that is equal to root 21, root 5 by root 2 are all irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Today we practice the problems how to prove the given numbers are irrational numbers. First problem. Show that 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Solution. Here 5 is a rational number, root 3 is an irrational number. So their difference is irrational number. How we can find? In this method, we use the contradictory method. This means you can assume 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. So every rational number is written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. 5 minus root 3 is equal to p by q. Q is not equal to 0. P comma Q are integers. So you can transpose minus root 3 to RHS side and P by Q to the LHS side. 5 minus P by Q is equal to root 3. Now you can observe in LHS 5 is a rational number and P by Q is a rational number. So their difference also rational number. So simply you can write rational number is equal to irrational number, because root 3 is an irrational number. So this is not possible. Not possible. Why we got this like this one? Because of our assumption. What is our assumption? 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. So 5 minus root 3 is irrational number. The numbers what they will give, you can prove like this only. The method to prove this irrational means first you can assume it is a rational number, and after that you can rearrange the numbers according to the situation. Then you can get the contradictory. After that our assumption is wrong, so the given number is a rational number. And to prove this one, you can follow this method. Shall we prove one more example? Show that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Solution. Students, now in this problem they have given two irrational numbers. In previous problem they gave one rational number and one irrational number. So our method is the same. First step, assume root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Rational number. So every rational number is in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. P comma q are co-prime numbers. You can take p comma q are co-prime numbers, or p comma q are integers, whatever it may be, correct here. So I am taking here root 3 plus root 5 is equal to p by q. P comma q are integers. Q is not equal to 0. Now I am transposing plus root 5 to the RHS side. Root 3 is equal to P by Q minus root 5. Now squaring on both sides. Root 3 whole square is equal to P by Q minus root 5 whole square. Root 3 whole square, root 3 into root 3, or simply you can take square and this square root cancel together. So you will get 3. Here in RHS it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Recall the formula of a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So p by q whole square minus 2 into p by q into root 5 plus root 5 whole square. This 3 is equal to this square for numerator and denominator. So p square by q square minus 2 root 5 p by q plus this root and square cancel together 5. Now write the rational numbers one side and irrational number another side. Bring this minus 2 root 5 p by q to the LHS side. 2 root 5 p by q is equal p square by q square plus 5 minus 3. Two root 5 p by q is equal to p square by q square plus 5 minus 3 plus 2. Now you can write like this: root 5 into 2p by q is equal to p square by q square plus 2. Transpose 2p by q, root 5 is equal to this, you can take the reciprocal, q by 2p here by into p square by q square plus 2. This one is again you will get root 5. Remember, root 5 is an irrational number. So the LHS is irrational number. Irrational number. What is an RHS? It is a rational number because p comma q and 2 are rational numbers. Rational number. It is not possible. It is not possible. Our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore, the given number root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So it is very simple, students, to prove the given number is an irrational number. I am recapitulating once again. In first step, you can assume that the given number is a rational number. And second step, you can find out p comma q co-primes are integers so that q is not equal to 0. Then in the third step, you can rearrange the numbers. In fourth step, you will be get contradiction. In fifth step, our assumption is wrong. So you can prove the given number is an irrational number. Students, practice these